Is Nepal becoming a safe haven for criminals? For 6 months, we've watched as the government, born from the passionate protests of a new generation, has quietly made a series of alarming decisions. Over 100 money laundering cases have been withdrawn, just like that, vanished into thin air. Think about that for a moment. 100 cases, we're not talking about small time offenses. These are serious allegations involving powerful individuals. Take Ravi for instance. His case involving a single signature transaction of 480 million rupees dropped. GB Rai, case dropped. Shebilao Joshi, case dropped. These aren't just names on a list. They represent a trend that should concern every single citizen. What message does this send? It tells the world that in Nepal you can potentially get away with financial crimes if you have the right connections. This isn't just about domestic politics. The international community is watching. The Financial Action Task Force, or FATF, is the global watchdog for money laundering and terrorist financing. Actions like these, withdrawing cases without due process, are a direct path to being blacklisted. What does a blacklist mean for us? It means our economy gets shattered. Imagine international banks refusing to process our letters of credit. Our businesses would collapse, imports would halt, and the prices of essential goods would skyrocket. The ones who will suffer the most are ordinary families, people just trying to make a living. This is the real-world consequence of these backroom decisions. We're already seeing the outrage. The Nepal Bar Association is on the streets, protesting this mockery of justice. Even the Supreme Court has had to step in, issuing a notice to the government, demanding an explanation for its actions. This isn't just a political squabble. It's a fight for the very soul of our nation's rule of law. When lawyers and judges have to publicly challenge the government, we're in a crisis. We've seen the images of our youth demanding change. We've witnessed the promises of a new era. We were told this government would be different, that it would stand for justice and accountability. But what we're seeing feels like a betrayal of that trust, a betrayal of the very people who put them in power. Is this the patriotism we were promised? Or is this something far more sinister? This is a critical moment for Nepal. Our flag, a symbol of our pride and sovereignty, feels like it's being torn apart by these actions. We cannot afford to be silent. This is not the time for apathy. It's time to raise our voices, to demand answers, to demand accountability. Don't let our country become a playground for the corrupt. Share this video, talk to your friends and family, and make your voice heard. For the full story and to share your own thoughts, check the link in the description. Let's start the conversation.